There's a John Deere 7400. I guess that's a good tractor. There's an old Massey 33 over there at pieces. We just had this thing running a minute ago. We're going to put some oil in it and see if the power steering works. The gears and the brakes work. That G1000, it looks pretty bad. The white, don't know about it yet. We'll find out. There's a whole bunch of wagons and sprayers and field equipment. There's a great big pile of junk. A trailer and a wagon, some augers, semi-trailer, combine, grain cart. They're going to sell them 3 grain bins, and I think the grain dryer, maybe, I don't know for sure. We'll find out later. There's a car hauling dolly. That'd be handy. Let's see. I don't know why I'm sitting on a tractor. There's a, what's that thing? A dump bed for a ton truck with a big tank on it, with a hitch to pull something on. All right.
3-point down.
Now, where do you put the oil?
I think it's a little thing. All of it. Half of it.
Says lower.
Go the other way.
Lower. That valve stuck. All right. We'll shut the camera off a minute.
Yeah, you got to back up on the rock so it stays put.
All right, we're going to try it again.
Got out of gear.
It's out of gear, and I got the clutch down. Hey, the 3-point goes up and down. Power steering still. Whoa!
They said the brake was stuck.
Well, they're hydraulic brakes. Put a rock in front of it.
There you go.
All right, we got a battery in front of it.
Rock.
All right, it runs. Might be a little hard getting loaded.
Put oil in it, it'll be fun.
Yeah, get more oil in it. All right, put the battery back.
Side or off the back?
All right, I'm looking over the G1000. It looks pretty much all here on this side. No front tires. The power steering belt's broke. Looks like it's been drained. The drain plugs are out of it. Oil filter is gone. It might be they're working on the combine. Boy, combine runs good. I reversed it. There, it ain't plugged up no more. Combine's good to go. Alright, so the combine's good. Now for the white 2180. Looks like it's got a lot of bad tires. Turbos are all rusted away. M&W turbos. Caterpillar engine. I'd say that pretty much that's parts or whatever. And this most likely a parts tractor. Could probably be fixed. Alright, let's see what else is here. We got 3 hopper wagons, 3 or 4 sprayers, a sprayer trailer. Here's a disc chisel. I don't know, that's a big water tank or something. Here's one of these crumbler things. Here's a great big rototiller. Howard rotavator. Looks like the gearbox ain't too good. Field cultivator and row cultivators. They're good, but they're obsolete. A little Dearborn plow. Real nice disc. Tractor tires and whatever. John Deere field cultivator. Boy, if I felt good, wouldn't that be a lot of fun? No way. I ain't messing with that. Field cultivator. There's a finish mower. There's some great big Chevrolet wheels of some sort. A Rhino, that looks pretty decent. A little cup mower. This one looks pretty rough. Semi trucks. An International. A GMC grain truck. Single axle. There's a big job Ford lime spreader truck. There's a 1-ton Chevy. There's a big Mack with a, looks like a decent old truck. Fender's kind of beat up a little. There's a Ford sprayer truck with big tires on the back and a flat tire on the front. Here's part of a truck of some sort. A Toro mower. Hey, there's another lathe. Oh boy. Big combine engine and air compressor. Oh boy, Atlas lathe. That's just like the one I. What kind of an engine?
German.
German? International? Alright.
It says on there somewhere.
Wonder what else they got. What are we selling in here?
Everything, Dickie.
Everything?
Yeah.
Boy. Air compressor? Shop tools, tractor, welder, all kinds of stuff. Going to empty it out. And what you selling in here?
Everything on the wagon.
Wagon loads.
That's 47, this is 48.
Yeah.
And a grain bin is tore apart.
Yeah. Wagon's up south.
These are grain blowers here, ain't they? Yeah. Oh, whatever. All right, that's enough of this. Anything? There, it won't take all day to sell forks and shovels.
I think so. That way I can start. I think so. If you don't care. Bring some to us, buy a new battery. Yeah.
Looky here, you ever seen a pile of junk? House door frame, whatever. Elevators. Look at there, a whole bunch of big heavy copper wire up there. There's a tool tray. There's electric motors. Barn tin roof. Roof tin. They're selling oxygen tank. More big electric motors. More big electric wire. More barn tin. Let's see what else is over here. There's a porta power. All kinds of. There's even a little lawnmower motor. That's about it. Look at there, one of these low boy trailers, all corn planters on or something. Old homemade job. All right. There's a Massey 33 with a Super 6 loader. Don't know where the wheels are or the radiator is or anything about it. Did have power steered on it one time. Live power takeoff. Decent fender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottom white plow and a loading chute. And I think they're going to sell the propane tanks. It even runs. Might need front tire pumped up. Good job.